Hello, members of the Contra Costa Association of Realtors. This is your 100th year anniversary president for 2021, Greg Souza. Before we get started, make sure you are following us on social media, on Facebook and YouTube. Subscribe, drop us a like, add it to your notifications. The normal CCR page, the YPN page, and again, the YouTube page. Elections this week, just starting off. It's from June 7th to the 14th. Please make sure you vote right now after this video. Get it done, get it over with, then share it to your office, please, so we make sure that we get a quorum right off the bat. We don't have to continue asking you week after week. Open houses are back, so signage, make sure you are staying in compliance. Already in the last 2 weeks, we've had people putting it on the medians and in walkways again. You have to get it off to the side. Let's make sure we're respectful, but also enforcement's going to be back into full swing pretty soon, where they're going to start stealing your signs and putting them in the sign graveyard, and that's not fun and it's expensive. So please make sure you go on the CCR site, check for each city's ordinances. MLS, we have new counties that have been updated into your MLS. So we have counties of Sutter, Yuba, Colusa now are available in Paragon. So very exciting. Keep expanding your search, and at least you'll be able to service some of these clients with a safe search and then go and refer it out. BuildersUpdate is a new system that we have, and also Listtrac. You may have seen that be added into Paragon. If you're not always checking for the newest, latest vendors, go and check them out. Reminder, we also have access, going back to the accessibility of other MLSs. We have an agreement with the Intermountain MLS, which is in Idaho, which I believe accounts for around 25% of the state. I could be wrong there. Nevertheless, a lot of people are going to Idaho, and we have access to that. Other one is San Diego. Again, have access, and there they have access into ours, be able to utilize that as a referral opportunity. Another touch point for your clients. It's fire season. Unfortunately, we all hate it and dread it, but an opportunity to reach out to your clients. Remind them of the abatement requirements of certain cities and or counties and what that property may need to adhere to. Home hardening, defensible space is a term we're hearing a lot. Making sure that shrubs and grass is taken care of around the house to not have such a fuel source around properties. Maybe put together for your clients an evacuation plan, a checklist of items to bring, like emergency, if it's an emergency, unfortunately in those situations, medication, photos, birth certificate, passports, maybe backup hard drives, and granola bars. I'm just kidding. I just want to make sure you're paying attention. All right. But seriously, those are great items to really sit there and make sure that you have all those together. A little maybe emergency go pack would be awesome. It's a great way to stay in touch with your clients. Okay. Speaking of hard drives, it's almost mid-year, and just a reminder, back up your computers. Get those phones backed up, the tablets. We get so busy, we forget to do it. Something happens to it, you want to be able to have backup because so much of our life is digital. Lastly, last week we had our risk management seminar, and it was virtual, extremely informative. And if you didn't make it, we want to know why. So put in the private comments, tell us why you missed it. Did you not mark your calendar? Do you think you know as much as a real estate attorney? Another bonus question is, what topics do you want covered in the next coming weeks? Drop in the comments below. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like it. Get that engagement continually going. We're always here for you. Please reach out to your district directors, staff, or myself, as I'm always available. I get a lot of calls, but I'm here for you guys. Make it a great week and go out there and sell something. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.